All right, folks. So we're with Daniel Edwards, who is the Chief Executive Officer of Total 180. Morning, friend. Welcome to
Morning.
Smile Jamaica.
Thanks for having me.
What is Total 180?
Total 180 is the Caribbean's first and only motivational, aspirational, and transformational lifestyle brand for men.
For men.
For men. And we operate using two formats, with the one-on-one consultations and with the workshops, with the intent of helping men tap into their highest and greatest selves.
Yep.
And then we also have the Caribbean's first and only YouTube channel for men, started in September last year.
Why you wanted to do this?
Men need it. And the thing is, I
When
think
you say we need it,
we Caribbean men need the help, because in a lot of areas we're failing and falling behind. So I'm here to help
Give me
change
a
the
couple
narrative.
of those areas.
Well, right now, I would say when you look at university attendance, 70-30 in favor of women. Jamaica is one of 3 countries in the world where your boss is likely to be a woman. Etiquette, all these areas are falling behind. So it's not that we're saying we don't want women to be here, but we need more balance. We need more balance in society. So the men need to step it up. In the home too, look at the disproportionate rate of single mom homes too. So we're trying to help shift the narrative, bring back a balance.
Yeah. What have you done thus far that would suggest that you think things are actually coming closer to where we should be?
What have we done?
Yeah.
Well, in a small way, we have created a brand new program where we help to transform men from the outside in. So we start looking at your appearance, your physical appearance, because people judge you by your appearance. Within 7 seconds of seeing you, make permanent decisions about you. Help with etiquette and decorum. Mm-hmm. Things like just how to give a proper handshake.
Yeah. Let's go back to the
deeper.
appearance. Mm-hmm. Where we're lacking. In what areas? Like when we go for an interview, how we dress for work?
I mean, Jamaicans generally have swag, right?
Yeah.
But sometimes we don't know how to dress for the right occasions. Or we're wearing the clothes, but the clothes aren't fitting us properly.
Right.
So you might have, so I know we suffer from the pants below the waist itis too, which is another problem.
Yeah.
So those areas need some tightening up. Knowing what to wear for the right occasions.
Yeah.
Whew. And also how to work the color combinations in your favor, because certain color combinations actually give you a boost.
And some hurt you.
Yeah, so like even going to a job interview or making a public presentation, you're seen as most credible when you wear navy with a red tie. Just little things like that. Yellow put people under stress, especially if it's too bright. So just knowing little things about colors. You know, blue is the color that most people love, most humans love. So those little things can just give you an advantage if you know you're going to.
Where you get all that from? This is coming from
years of research, and also selling clothes to my coworkers. I used to sell clothes to my coworkers.
Okay.
Because I'm also a financial advisor, so I used to work at Sagicor, sell clothes to my coworkers, and they'd come back and I'd watch their sales skyrocket.
Okay. All right. So that's at the appearance. You said decorum.
Now we're going to decorum and etiquette. So you're at a cocktail party, how to network at a cocktail party, how to introduce yourself, how to pitch yourself within 30 seconds and be, coherent and concise and be memorable. How to hand out a business card, how to eat on a table. All of these things. Dating etiquette, who picks up the bill, business meeting etiquette. Email etiquette, because now most people communicate via email. And WhatsApp etiquette, everything. And then we go into wellness now on the second day now. We go into your body now.
What you
Get
eat
in shape.
Yeah.
Meditation, yoga, everything. So when you're done, you're really brand new, brand new.
I said Chief Executive Officer, but it says the psychology of color. Mm-hmm. It says building your wardrobe on a budget, the psychology of color, which is something what you just spoke
psychology
about.
of color.
So every time I go out, I must wear navy blue?
No. But if you're on a budget and you can only afford to buy one suit, buy the navy.
Yeah.
Don't buy the black.
Or the black.
You get more mileage out of that. Yeah. You can wear it with any color shoes, you can wear it with any color, you can wear the jacket with anything. Even shorts.
Yeah.
So that's really, my approach to fashion is more functional. Just teaching men how to stretch their dollar and create a powerful wardrobe on a budget.
Give me some tips on building your brand, or is it your business brand? Give me some tips on that.
So we're talking about personal branding now and how to make people take your brand seriously. We have videos about that too. So first and foremost, you are the brand, especially if your brand is not established, your company is not established. You are a walking billboard and representation of your brand. So people are going to evaluate your brand based on how you look, right? If you look cheap, you will attract cheap. The paraphernalia associated with your brand, your business cards, your flyers, your T-shirts, your social media, your website, all of these things have to be a good representation of your brand. And sometimes because people have limited resources, them go cheap. Don't go cheap, go simple.
What's the difference?
So cheap, so cheap is a really crappy business card with maybe some really bad graphics on it, or maybe it looks like your niece took a marker and drew it.
Yeah.
While you could just get a basic, maybe get a basic white card with just
your name.
Yeah, simple,
Yeah.
simple
And
flyer.
It doesn't have to look shabby or anything.
Exactly.
Fantastic.
Also, reliability. That is one. This is another reason why we start Total 180 to know. We have a scourge of unreliability in Jamaica. So the man said, Mr. Bell, I go fix the car. Got done by Thursday, man.
No, done
3 Thursdays passed, and we still can't get the car.
Yeah.
So we need to learn now how to under promise and over deliver. This is another thing that I'm teaching too.
Under promise.
Under promise, over deliver.
In other words, say Friday, but bring it by Wednesday.
Yeah. And you could do that on purpose too.
Yeah.
You know it when we done Friday, and you tell him, sir, I'll have it on Wednesday, sir.
Yeah.
And just surprise him. He say, what?
Yeah,
He's going to call everybody and recommend your business.
Be early, be prepared.
Be early, not on time. Be early. You have road work, tire bus, get up one morning, can't start the car. Be early. If you're early, you can shift. You can shift and still reach. and then if you go and be late, call ahead, apologize.
Yeah.
And if you get there, don't be defensive.
What do you mean?
I couldn't make it because such and such and such. Okay.
Right.
No, but you're late.
Yeah.
Just apologize.
And move on.
And move on.
Yeah. Be prepared.
Be prepared. I mean, that goes without saying. Be prepared.
Yeah.
You have a presentation for a group of individuals. You didn't check if your laptop was charged. You left the charger at home. You didn't bring the program. So you don't know what you're going to talk about.
Yeah.
All of these things.
Sounds simple, but hugely important.
Little things. And this is what we are helping to connect the dots.
Yeah, man. Where are you? How will we find you?
So you find us on YouTube, youtube.com/Total180, the word Total 180, no dash, no numbers. We're on Instagram, Total 180. We're on Facebook, Total 180. Yep. My email address is dedwards@total180.com.
Good to see you. Feel a jacket that can't fit my quiet.
You can. The muscles, though, I don't know if you can fill it out like me still. I don't know.
All right, good to see you, my friend. Chief Executive Officer of Total 180, Mr. Daniel Edwards. After the break, Sim and I weigh in on what men and women find attractive. A jacket there.
Fun.